Introducing this new complex surface modeling course in Plasticity, where you will model this entire complex MX Master mouse from scratch, step by step. And this course is not just about modeling one specific mouse, it's about learning how to break down any complex 3D shape into manageable, logical components, so you stop guessing and start working with the clear system. One of the biggest challenges in Plasticity are not the tools, it's knowing how to start, which curves matter, how to build and structure the surfaces, and how to avoid running into problems later when blends or surfaces break. Inside this course, I guide you through a complete professional workflow. You will learn how to analyze an object properly before modeling it, how to create incredibly precise curves to create the spline cage, how to build clean primary surfaces from controlled curves, how to fill and connect surfaces without chaos, how to blend them with beautiful high quality reflections, and how to add panel separations, thickness, refinements and details without destroying the structure. And the key difference is that you won't just copy what I'm doing, you will understand why we build things in a specific order. These are universally applicable surface modeling principles, whether you want to design power tools, cars, motorcycles, tech products or ergonomic products. The same core workflow applies every time. And by the end, you won't ask, how do I start or how do I tackle a complex object? Because you will have a clear, repeatable process you can use for any advanced model. All lessons include project files so you can follow along precisely and compare your results at every stage. So in any way, below this video, you'll find all of the information about the course. So check it out right now. First link below this video. I hope I can see you in there. Have a nice day. Bye.